Alright, so this is everything we're going to be using today. Just got an old do-rag here just for the mask, and then this here is elastic band. I got this extra from one of my wigs, and this piece here is technically not needed, but I just feel like it'll make it look more clean. This here is just a wig combo, needle and thread, so I can have needle and thread. And then some scissors, and let's get started. All right, so now what we're going to do is take our elastic band, put it across our face here, and measure it. I still want it to be a little tight there. Then you're just going to take your scissors and cut that. So now this piece is going to be the piece you use to measure how much of your do-rag or whatever you're using to make your mask, how big you need your mask to be. All right, but I'm actually going to be making 2 masks, one for me, one for my best friend. So I'm also just gonna cut this halfway and then we'll be back. All right, so now I got this cut in half, and I'm only gonna be using half, but if it's just you, you can use both of these for yourself. So you would just basically, this is the little piece that I have right now. That's just gonna go right over my face. And then I'm gonna put this across the top, just like that. But I'm going to be flipping this so it has a clean edge at the top. And then also after you flip this and sew it down, you are also going to be doing the same thing for the bottom. All right, so now we have sewn the elastic band on each side. And I was going to fold it just so this part here will just look a little cleaner, but I decided to be lazy and just, as long as this side looks good, that's all that matters. And then this is gonna go just like this. And then I'm gonna put the elastic earpieces on. So now I'm just about to cut this part, clean it up, and I'll come back when the elastics are back. All right, so this is the final product of the mask. I ended up just putting the elastics on the end that I had left, and then this, for it to look a little bit more clean, I ended up just taking a lighter and burning that, and then also taking a lighter and burning these pieces here, just so it looks more seamless on the outside. And then we're just gonna try it on. That's all right, there we go. And our mask is breathable, but right here is just a little bit extra pieces. Just gonna tuck that for now, and then I'm just gonna go back and sew that back down. But there you go. There is our mask. Thank you for watching.